She's hungry.
She picked it 2 times na. Let's go, Daddy. Hold it well, darling.
Oh well.
You have to wash your hands na. Lala, let's go.
Come.
Kukuruk. Don't touch, darling. Running le. Running, follow Daddy le ya. Kukuruk. Go, go, go. Follow Daddy. Kaluoy ba? Nagabian na yung tawon. Kaluoy ba? Oh, our lovely pet. Gabiin na yung tawon. Noktok pa ka?
See, he follow me.
Of course. Go up now. Uy, basang manok.